We are a global network built on firm foundations. We believe in working together, setting new standards, making informed decisions, and being trustworthy. This ensures we always stay focused on our customers' needs under company core values, unity. U, unrivaled standard, setting new standards, innovating constantly, going beyond expectations, providing the best service and value for all of our partners and customers. N, network strength, working together as one team with a shared ambition to keep making our network better, showing respect and support for each other. I, informed decisions, seeing the big picture and the small details, furthering our knowledge and understanding of our industry and the world, with the future in mind. T, trusted and honest, approaching business professionally, ethically, and honestly, understanding our place in the world and taking responsibility for our actions and decisions. Y, your partners, focusing on our customers, tailoring solutions to their precise needs, forming and maintaining strong partnerships with customers and employees. Unity is what we stand for, and it sums up our values as a network. It is the word that best describes who we are, how we operate, and why we are the industry leaders. Unity.